calmly waits for his owner to come and help. The buckaroo sees the odds stacking against him and tries to gut the dog with his claws one last time. His powerful arms anchor the dog by the breastplate as Max doubles his efforts to escape. Finally, the Roo switches his attention to Tonks and sizes up the human to be his next victim. Tonks gives the kangaroo his space, but the cranky buck comes forward, ready to attack. To save himself, he launches a right hand to the kangaroo's snout. The punch swivels the Roo's head as he throws his claws out to grapple and gouge. Then they eye each other off. Tonks makes the right decision again and backs off, leaving the buck stunned as to what has just taken place.
Well, the big mob just moved away. And these guys don't seem to worry about working with them. Right, she's chewing your car. Get out of there. Mister, get away. How many's there? Look at the size of that big bugger.
Hello, Skippy.
Bloody hell. And there's another lot down here. Look at him standing up there. Big bugger. Look at him. Ooh, come and have a go. Have a go, you mug. Come on.
Camera up a bit more.
See what happens.
No, be careful.
He's a big boy. He's a big boy. Are you just big or what? He big.